A bombshell court ruling in Colorado. The state Supreme Court ruling former President Donald Trump cannot appear on the Colorado primary ballot. The court ruled he violated the U.S. Constitution on January the 6th. Liz Landers has more on the legal breakdown and how it's impacting the presidential campaign trail.
A historic decision from the Colorado Supreme Court barring former President Donald Trump from the presidential primary ballot. The ruling based on a little-known part of the Constitution. Section 3 of Amendment 14 bars anyone from holding office who took an oath to the Constitution and then, quote, engaged in insurrection or rebellion. A watchdog group in Washington called Crew sued on behalf of Coloradans, saying Trump was ineligible under the provision due to the insurrection on January 6th at the Capitol. The court agreed with them 4-3. Colorado Secretary of State, a Democrat, reacting on MSNBC.
I agree with the Colorado Supreme Court's decision. But with that said, I will follow the law and the United States Constitution because unlike Donald Trump, I believe that's what elected officials should be doing. And if a court decides that he is on the ballot, I, of course, will follow that.
President Trump's lawyer, Alina Habba, saying Wednesday that he's not shaken by the decision, and this is the way Mr. Trump's been treated since kicking off his first campaign in 2015. The campaign told ABC News that they plan to appeal the decision to the U.S. Supreme Court, setting up a monumental decision ahead of the 2024 election.
I think this hurts any candidate running against Donald Trump at this point. This will rally Republican primary voters around Donald Trump. It makes Democrats look like they're going after Donald Trump, again, instead of going after him at the ballot box, trying to not even give voters a say in who their elected leaders are.
President Biden, likely to face off with Trump in the general election, declining to weigh in when asked by reporters today, but when asked if Trump is an insurrectionist, saying,
well, I think certainly they're self-evident. You saw it all. Now, whether the 14th Amendment applies, I'll let the court make that decision. But he certainly supported an insurrection. And no question about it. None. Zero.
Trump's Republican rivals, DeSantis, Haley, Ramaswamy, and Christie, all defending him on this issue, saying that this should be up to the voters and not decided in the courts. In Washington, Liz Landers, ABC News.